Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing more Artbeads TOHO beads. When you first receive your package, it will be wrapped up in purple tissue paper. I've already gotten rid of that, but then they also will be in a protective plasticking and then the Ziploc bag. So this is their card that they give with every purchase. You have their artbeads.com written up here and then a cute earring idea. On the back, it gives you some more information, their website, and then a coupon code to use on your next purchase. And I really do love these earrings. So the day that I was ordering, there was a free gift that you would receive with your purchase, and that's the Artbeads shell button. So now I'll show you all the beads that I received. So I'm going to start with these. This is the TOHO Bead Round 11 Opaque Lustered Sour Apple. I really do love that sparkly finish that they have. I'll keep these here, and then I'll show you these. This is the TOHO Bead Round 11 Opaque Sour Apple 8-gram bag. So these are the same kind of bead, but they just don't have the same AB finish on them. But I also love these. Then I got the TOHO Bead Round 11 Opaque Green AB 8-gram bag. And I'll leave these here and show you that I also got then the TOHO Bead Round 11 Opaque Avocado Green 8-gram bag. So they aren't the same name, so they may not be the same type of like exact shade, but we did think that when we were looking at it that it's basically, for our project, will be considered the same bead with different finishes. Then I will show you these. So this is a tube of beads. This says the TOHO 11 Hybrid Color Trend Suede Gold Sour Apple Round. So I really like it that you still get the bag with all of their information on it, even though it's a tube. And then it shows you round, tells you the size, and then approximately it's 8 through 9 grams. I absolutely love these beads. I just think they look so pretty, and they almost have a soft look on the surface, which I just think is so nice. And then this is the TOHO Bead Round 11 Matte Opaque Milk Crystal 8-gram bag. So these have the same kind of finish as the beads that were in the tube, which is that soft, really nice look, but yet they still have a shiny tone coming through, so I really do like these. Then we have the TOHO Bead Round 11 Silver Lined Pink 8-gram bag. So these have that silver lined, so they are very sparkly and shiny. Then I'll show you these. This is the TOHO Bead Round 11 Opaque Shiny Jet Black 8-gram bag. This is the TOHO Bead Round 11 Matte Opaque Cantaloupe 8-gram bag. I don't know if the camera can pick up the exact color of these beads, but I really do love that shade. And then I also have TOHO Bead Round 11 Opaque Sunset Orange 8-gram bag. So now I'll show you a project idea to use all of these beads. Okay, so this is the Turtle Brick Stitch Cutie grid that we found off of social media. The outer green is going to be that light shade, and then you're going to have the dark AB coated beads in here, along with the light green AB coated beads in here on his shell, along with the white beads, and then he'll have black for both of the eyes. I'll show you him, and he's very cute, and you can see that it's the light green beads, and then on the inside of the shell you're going to have all the AB coated beads. On the top we did add a loop, a see-through loop using see-through 15 beads, so that looks very nice, and that way you can dangle it off of anything you would want to, as a keychain, dangling from your purse, anything like that. So it's very cute, and I think that this would be a fun project for you to do. I also wanted to mention that Artbeads has several options for brick stitch grid paper. There's the cylindrical bead option and there's the round bead option. Because our beads are round Toho beads, I decided to go with the round bead option, but you could also go with the cylindrical bead option. If you didn't want to make this brick stitch cutie, I also will be sharing with you another brick stitch cutie idea. Okay, so this is the cactus brick stitch cutie idea I gridded out. I did make this one because of a request under a different one of my videos for a cactus with a smile and facial features. So I did grid this one for that. I'll just put it this way so you can kind of see what it looks like. There's two shades of green. There's the lighter and the darker. There's the black on the eyes. I did have the silver lined pink for the bow, and then the ones with the O's, and the border, and the few bits that are on the inside, that's the dark orange, and then the color that almost looks like yellow in this design I pictured as the cantaloupe orange. So this is very cute, and I think you could definitely do this and make it. It's so cute. And for this one, I would probably start on this row, and then or this row would also work, but you could work from there, go all the way up, and then come back, and you could probably leave yourself a longer tail coming from this area, and then you could just, using that tail, add on these little extra bits. But this is just so cute, and I hope that you try this design for yourself. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. In the description box below, I'll be linking a few of my previous videos along with Artbeads free printable graph paper and their how to brick stitch video. I hope that you enjoyed this. Bye!